Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY jammer press for under 30 bucks. Now, I'm assuming you already have a gym at home in order to do this, so the only thing you might need is one of these. You're going to need a set of rings, and these are going to act as the lever arms. Now, the other two things you're going to need are a barbell and weights. That's it. So for under 30 bucks that you can invest on rings, you can have a DIY jammer press at home. So let's do this right now. So I already have the rings hanging, and what you want to do is you want to make sure they're about the same height, they're about level. So you're going to grab your barbell and you're going to stick it through the rings just like so. Make sure they're evenly spread out to about the same distance. And all you're going to do afterwards is you're going to grab your weights and then you're ready to go. So here we have our lever arms with the weight, and all you have to do now is scoot under here and you could go ahead and do your jammer presses. Now, I like to do them with one leg in front of the other. You might want to do them with 2 feet together. They're both going to work the same way. They're explosive. Now let me show you what I mean here. So you have your lever arms here, and all you're going to be doing is exploding up, exploding up. Now, if you want to do it with 2 feet on the ground, then explode up, explode up. So just like that, very simple, guys. This is a DIY version of lever arms, so you can go ahead and practice the jammer press at home. And as you can tell, I'm already winded just from doing those few reps, because it's a very taxing exercise. It's a whole body exercise, and you're going to generate a lot of power during the movement. So I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And I'm going to leave a few links right below this video where you can get the rings under 30 bucks, very cheap. So I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.